You can imagine my shock when I
Oh, here it
read a
comes.
headline today,
Oh.
which says conservationists welcome Gillnet fishing ban in the Great Barrier Reef World Heritage Site. As in they've been
We still had
gillnetting
it?
in the Great Barrier Reef World Heritage Site up until now, and will continue to, by the way, until 2027. The ban is to take place by 2027.
More than 60% of the Great Barrier Reef is open to commercial gillnet fishing, and these nets entangle and kill countless animals. The reef will be gillnet free by mid-2027 under the $160 million license buyout plan unveiled by the federal and Queensland state governments. Removing commercial gillnets from the Great Barrier Reef could help protect the homes of endangered wildlife, including dugongs and sea turtles.